Welcome to Working Mom Plans. I am Kate. I do planner related videos and everything else with planners and paper. In this one, I am doing a recipe plan with me for my Italian sausage and peppers and mushrooms meal. So if you want to see how I'm going to make this different and prettier, stick around. Alright, thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe if you are new, and please comment below if you are new so I can welcome you. Also, don't forget to share my video with your friends on your social media handles so that they can enjoy my creativity as well, and I can help them as well. I really hope to grab my channel, and that is one way to do that. Alright, so I realized this after reading it. Let's just say, it's 1 pound. That's fine. And it's one, that's fine. 8 ounces. And this is, half a teaspoon, really? No. I don't know why I wrote it out like that. So I didn't modify this how I do it normally. Serve with rice. We do a brown, organic. So I want to do this real quick with you guys so that I didn't realize this. So 1 teaspoon of each is fine. There's nothing wrong with seasoning. Or 2. Just depends on how much juices and so forth. Parsley. It's supposed to be Italian, so you're putting oregano, parsley, and basil and parsley. Dried, mushroom slice, garlic. Okay, this must have been one of my first ones or something. I'm truly this sausage. So, so I do this actually with the sausage links, not just ground up sausage, because it doesn't say anything else. It just says Italian sausage. I do the links. You can do the ground up one if you don't really like the kabasa, what I call the Kabasa sausages. Alright. Here we go, sausage with water. Why? No. So that's not how I make it. Good thing I read this. Okay. In a pan. Over. Cause I don't know why they want you to boil it. Yeah, see, you're supposed to use Kabasa sausages because it says like. So this is just the directions. So good thing I'm reading this and what's on the back. Dang it. Alright. So warm oil. Add the peppers. Saute until tender. So put the sausage in. I already get the pre-cut stuff, so I don't have to worry about that. So, in the skillet, into the pan, mix well, add tomatoes, simmer. Oh, you sparkle. Where is garlic, mushroom, saute? Mix well. Juice in seasonings and simmer. Uncover. Stir occasionally. Nope. You already have the garlic in there. Cook. Rice. Quickly. Alright. Sometimes you gotta, I don't know what I was doing this time. I think I was just copying, just for the hell of copying. I wonder if I have a video on this, like, a long ass time ago. I would not be surprised that I have. This is like, oh, you already did this one, Kate. I'm like, I don't know. Alright. So, I can't believe that's the name of it, but I'm going to call it, where's my purple? Let's do purple. Okay, let's see what's in the other book. I never remember which ones I put in which books, tell you the truth. Because I keep on updating them in video. Okay, so there's some triangles. Let's use those. Yep. Alright. What I love about that. Okay. I always like to accent. It makes it prettier. The stickers. So, here we go. I got on Cricut. Of course, now I curled it up like ribbon. But yeah, I just added that last little part because don't get me wrong, if you don't need a grain, if you don't want a grain, but you can also do noodles, but that makes it closer to a spaghetti than anything. So yeah, I don't think there's any other notes. I don't know if I want to go washy crazy or not, but you know what? I always like this washing, and I want to use it though at the same time. All right. See how it looks. And this is why I do these recipe plan with me's. Not only to decorate these wonderful recipe cards that I used for meal planning. And that's the thing. This doesn't go in the kitchen. This is for meal planning only. So then, you don't have the instructions on here. It's just my backup copy, my creative copy. So then, come on. There we go. It's my creative copy, basically. So, also I can see, okay, what's the ingredients I need to buy, but also, make sure, is it an easy meal, is it a difficult meal, you know, even though I put my little shebang up there, it still will be, you know, tedious, and you want to make sure, okay, my planning is for the right day. Do I have time that evening to cook an elaborate meal? So I like to use these alphabet books, as you can tell, but I sell all these letters. Of course, the most common ones that get used up first, even now, I'm running out in here, is the F's and the R's. Like, really? So I'm now trying to be a little bit more mindful because I'm running out of certain letters altogether to, okay, what am I going to use this up for? So I'm trying to use them up. I've noticed other sticker brands have their own and their own font. So it's very difficult, in a sense, to figure out what I'm going to use some letter stickers for and what I'm not. So that's why I wrote. I could have easily used the letter stickers, but I'm like, not this time. Let me. So I have a few more recipes still to the one on back here to put in the book, nice and pretty, ready. I also, maybe you guys can help me decide. I want to clean this up, but also these splotches, it's very plain. I already did washing on it because it got little, but this is the only one that has this washi on it. None of the others will. But I want to decorate this more, and what do I do with that folder? Oh, it's in the very back. So the folder's in the back with these. So I'm just trying to figure out, maybe decorate it with those stickers. I don't know. Or any other food stickers I have. I'm getting some ideas. So, okay. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you check out my other videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.